I walk out of my boarding room, ready to start a fresh new day at National Junior College. Hi Beatrice! It is currently the boarding term for us JH1s, so we get to stay in the boarding school with our friends. Since we're currently boarding, it's very convenient for us to get to school, as the walk from boarding to school is only 5 minutes. Now, since we're ready, let's head for morning assembly.
Hi Audrey and Beatrice, how are you today?
Magda, keluar baris.
After assembly, we head up to the TA block to have our lessons. My first lesson of the day is thinking. It's a really unique subject offered only in NJ. It teaches students how to think critically. We get to solve all kinds of interesting puzzles like Sudoku and riddles that help us sharpen our minds by looking for patterns and clues. Our next period is PE. We usually start with a warm-up like jogging around the track or inside the indoor sports hall before we do some intensive and fun exercises with our friends.
I wonder what game we'll play today. Could it be basketball?
Maybe it's badminton.
We all make sure to stretch thoroughly before we start. Our teacher always emphasizes the importance of staying safe, even while having fun. After a tiring PE lesson, it's important to recharge ourselves, so we head to our school's canteen for recess.
What should I eat today? Annabelle, what are you eating today?
I think I'll eat a waffle today. It is one of my favorite snacks.
We finish eating and head to our integrated science labs for our science lesson. We will be doing paper chromatography for our science practical today. Last week, we did an experiment on the refraction of light. Experiments allow us a hands-on approach, which is very interactive and fun. After science comes my favorite lesson of the day.
Drama really makes me think out of the box with all the games we play. It's also a lesson for us to express ourselves through a different form of art.
After the mental break that drama gave us, we head back to our classrooms. Now, it's finally the last lesson of the day, maths. This is when I get to meet my favorite teacher who always makes our lesson more engaging with class discussions and interactive games like Kahoot. Time to eat lunch. I have to eat quickly as I have to meet my friends at the student lounge next.
This Cai Fan is so good. You should try some too.
Before heading to the SL, I have to drop by to pass my friend the notebook she left in class. She said she is currently studying in the library. Shh! Keep quiet in the library. Finally, we have arrived at the student lounge. At our student lounge, we decide what games to play from the large variety provided.
How about we play some pool?
Sure.
Since it's the end of the week, I head for home instead of going back to boarding. I say goodbye to my friends and hop on the bus home. We hope this video gave you some insight into the life of an NJCian. We'll see you next time. Bye!